Welcome back to a new video. Today we are showing you Pieface showdown. Let's go open it. And I love this. We will play like this. I don't know. Okay. Oh no, I was sitting over here and she was sitting. Okay, yesterday we were I was sitting over here yesterday and she was sitting over there. But it's okay. We are taking our chairs. Okay. Look at this. We will have a snow spray. And where's the queen? It'll be so fun. I'll show you how to play. Look at this. It'll be play like this. Let's go unbox this. Look at this boy. It's so funny. Let's go. Hi. Wait, oh, my hand. Hold on. Thank you. And slap the mom. Hi. High five. Okay. No thinking. Nada. Mox and boy one and girl one. Oh, look at this one. Wait. Okay, please be quiet. Quiet. I'm mash. Chin rest. We'll put your chin like this. Put it from the chin like this. One big thing. One big thing. With the biggest box down. Now let's fix it. It's hard. Okay, now let's fix it. She doesn't know how to fix. Oh, she knows how to fix. Go put this hand. Stop. Are you staring? No, I'm shooting me. Bye. And it's not fitting. And it's like this. I read. Mila's knowing. Come on, fix. Fix. Let's put close the mouth. So let's go put this one over and do this one over. Then down the bottom. I don't know why I'm dropping these things. I don't even know. First I drop a hand, and now I'm drawing Pieface face. Now let's. First I will show you, and then I will put the cream, and I will show you with the cream. I'm still so happy with the cream. Why a lot? It's I hurt over here, but you can put over here your face. Your face. Tata. I'll tell you how to play this game. Come on. It's snow spray. It's so cool. But you close your eyes and the breath. And you cannot close your breath. You can only close your eyes because. If you want to hold, you can hold. If you don't want to hold, you can hold. But the most thing is you have to close your eyes. Let's start it. But I'm so scared. I got it. Let's start it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh my god. Go, Emma. Emma, come on. Close your eyes. Go. Okay. Oh, wow. Come on, Emma, come on. Close your eyes and come on. It's last turn. Then you will do with the whipped cream. It's the last. Then you will do with the whipped cream. Boom. Let's go. It's me. I'm living on my nose. Hello. But at least we are having fun play. finished her. Oh, she's eating. She's done eating. Wait! And the face is already dirty. And I'm you Now we're gonna put this powder. My sister will put. Look at this with a flour. Please close your eyes. And close your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Okay. Guys. It's messy. Guys, this is so much. No more. Give to Milo. Milo, keep your eyes closed. Okay? Okay, I'm so scared. Now keep your eyes closed. Serious, please. Oh my god, guys. Okay, now it's my turn. Take this. See you later! See you later! No! It smells so bad, we eat it. Lucky, it smells so bad. It's on our food. Ew. Ew. Feel it? Ew. It's so dirty. Like a video. Like, share, subscribe. Look at my face. It's smelly. Ew, I'm washing my face. Bye. I'm washing my face. I do. My face.